Unit 3. Lesson 2. Almost extinct. Read the questions in Exercise A on page 54 of the activity book. Read the fact files and find the answers as quickly as you can. North Atlantic right whale. 200 years ago, the Americans called it the right whale because it was the right whale to hunt. It is slow and easy to catch, and it has lots of oil in its body. Hunters killed almost all of them. Today, there are only about 350 in the North Atlantic. Hunting has stopped, but the population is not increasing. One reason may be pollution in the sea. Another reason may be the impact caused by commercial shipping and fishing. If we do not want the right whale to become extinct, we must protect their habitat. Giant panda. Pandas eat bamboo sometimes. 30 kilos per day of it. This means they can only live in places with lots of bamboo. So these beautiful animals need help. If we want pandas to be able to move to other places, we must stop destroying their habitat. And the bad news is people are destroying their habitat. There are less than 2,000 wild pandas today. Zoos have about 650 and are trying to breed them. Black rind. Black rhinos were hunted heavily between 1960 and 1995 because of their horns. These are used in traditional medicine. As a result, 98% of the rhinos were killed. Since then, however, their numbers have slowly grown, but they are still hunted and endangered. In fact, one of the types of black rhino, the western black rhino, became extinct in 2011. 3 more types still exist, and there are now around 5,630 rhinos in the wild. Most of these are in 4 countries: Kenya, Namibia, South Africa, and Zimbabwe. If we want to make sure black rhinos survive, we need to provide them with a secure habitat. Hawksbill turtle. The hawksbill turtle gets its name from its mouth, which looks like the beak of a hawk. It is very difficult to know exactly how many of these turtles there are in the wild because they travel a lot, but experts believe that there are around 20,000 - 23,000. In the last 30 years, the population fell by 80% for several reasons. First, their habitat, the coral reefs, is disappearing because of global warming. Secondly, turtles are often caught in fishing nets. Finally, plastic pollution is also a problem for them. They often eat plastic and die. If we stop throwing litter in the sea, we can prevent turtles and other fish from dying.